Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video I will walk you through on how to create a local user using GUI. So this is the second video of learning Windows Server. So in the previous video I show you how to create a local user using the PowerShell. This is the command on how to create a local user using the PowerShell and everything. So this is how you can remove the local user, something like that. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to create the same user but using GUI. So in order to create a local user using GUI, you have first to open the server manager and then open the tools and then computer management. So let's go this way. So this is the server manager, and then let's find the tools. This is the tools, and then we need to find the computer management. So this is the computer management. This is the computer management, and then right click on the user under the local user and group on the left panel and select the new user. So here is a local user. This is local user, and there is a users and the group. So under the user you right click and then you press create a new users. So on the previous video we created this home lab user. So in this video now we're going to create another user using the GUI version. However, we can remove this user using a PowerShell, because I think in the previous video I skipped this this thing and this thing. But before create this local user I need to go to do this command. If grant privilege to the user edit to the administrator group. So if you want to add a user to the administrator group, you will do this command and then get local username. Okay, so I will do a little bit of a command now because in the previous video I skipped this step. So right now I want to continue on this step, then I will go ahead with GUI creation. So the document it wants us to give the user privilege to add to the administrator group. So in order to add the user to administrator group, we have performed this command. So our username was home lab. Here as you can see our local user is home lab, and the full name is home lab 24. So we're gonna give this home lab we're gonna put this home lab user to administrators group. So by performing this command, so we're gonna say add local group, add local group member, add local group member hyphen group, and then where to which group, to the administrator group. Okay, administrators group, and then the member will be who? Member will be the username we create. It is home lab. This is the user that we create, this one. So we want to add to the administrators group, and then we press enter. So you can see now we got no error. It means that we are okay. And then we have to verify this local user if he is a member of the administrator group, or we have to verify the user. Okay, so we will write get hyphen local user hyphen name, and the name of the user for the home lab. So home lab is true and the administrator of this home lab. This is the description. This is a description of this user. So we create this user and then we give the description, and this user is a administrator of this home lab. Okay, so right now you have seen on how to add user to the local group, administrator group. So we want to get the we are now want to get the local group member of this group. So to get local group member of this group, we're gonna type get hyphen hyphen group member. I think this one should be in capital G, group member, and then following by the group, and then administrators. So by typing this command, we will see the members from this group, from the administrators group. We will see how many users in the administrator group. So we have 2 users that are in the same group, which is administrators group. The first user is administrator. This is the original user that came when I first installed the Windows, and then this is the second user, the one that we create. All of these users are local. So in the previous video I show you how to create the local user using the PowerShell, and then this now we continue to this command using PowerShell as well, because I missed this step. So again, we are now going to remove this local user using this command. So on the PowerShell, we going to type remove from local users, and then the following this command, and then the username, which is home lab. The username is home. The username is home lab. So the user is removed. So if you close, sometime you have to restart the computer in order to take an effect. So if you come again, tools, computer management, if I close this one first, and then if I go to local users, is not there. You see the home lab user is not there. So let us now continue creating the user using the GUI command, GUI step, right? So the document want us to open a server manager. So we go to the server manager here, and then tools, and then tools here, and then click on the computer management. In the computer management, you go to the local user and group, and then find right click on the user here, and then add a new user. So over here we're gonna create new user, and then we will put our username. So this username, we're gonna call it user as admin, and then this we're gonna call, then we're gonna type the full name of this user is, we're gonna call it home admin, and then we're gonna put the password, right? We're gonna put the user password, maybe that. Okay, this is the very good password that we are going to put. And then after creating successful new user shown on the list, so it's optionally, if you want to, you can tick this. You can user must change password in the next login. You can tick user cannot change the password never expire. All of these are optional. If you want, you can tick. If you watch on the previous video, we put this, we type this, password never expires, account never expires, and something like that. So all of these are optional. If you want, you can put. So I'm gonna click create now. So if you refresh this, you see this is the local user we create using GUI. So we continue follow the step. After creating successful new user is shown the list like follows. So this is the new user we create, and then if you like set administrative privilege to the new user, right click on the user and open property. So this time now we are going to set the administrative privilege for this use to this new user we created, which is admin. So we're going to right click and then property, and then the document say property, and then move to the members tab, and then we go to the members tab, and then we click add. We click on the add, and then we specify administrative group like follows. Here you have to write administrators group, so you type administrators. Okay, specify administrators group like as follow. You have to type the administrator group like as follow. Okay, the document say move it to the members tab and then click on the add button and then type administrators, administrators like this, and then press OK, specify, and then make sure your administrators group is added to the list. Click OK button. Okay, this one is added to the list and then click OK button. Okay, did like this and then you click OK. Make sure the administrator group, so you saw that the administrator appear there, and then I click OK. So in the administrator group property, the user has been added. So in the administrators group property, the user has been added. So if you come here, administrators group property, the user has been added. Yeah, you see. So if you come to the groups and then find the administrators group, you will see our admin user added as administrator. If you want, you can remove right here, or you can add another user, another group. Yeah, you can add user to another group. Okay, this is how you can create a local user using GUI and add it to the administrator group. Thank you very much. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe for more video like this.